Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting precisely what you want to copy. Tap and hold the text, image, or link until the selection handles appear, then drag to refine your choice. Once selected, tap Copy or use the Share menu and choose Copy. If you want to move content to another Apple device, make sure both devices are signed into the same Apple ID and have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on so universal clipboard transfers instantly. Next, paste and refine. Open the target app and tap the insertion point. You can press and hold to reveal paste. Once pasted, use the selection handles, contextual menu, or keyboard cursor controls to edit text inline. For images, paste into Notes or Mail and tap Markup to crop, annotate, or add text. These inline edits avoid switching apps. Once done, make sure formatting and links work as intended before moving on. Finish by verifying the pasted content. Check formatting, run links, and remove any stray styles with clear formatting if needed. If paste doesn't appear, force close and reopen the app, or restart your keyboard by switching to another keyboard and back. For universal clipboard failures, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, or sign out and back into your Apple ID on both devices. This usually restores the connection. If problems persist, restart the device to clear the system clipboard cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.